Today, you will learn how to protect header and footer in Word without protecting the main body of your document. First, make sure your header and footer are already designed the way you want them. For example, your header may contain a company logo, document title, or business information. Your footer may contain page numbers, contact details, copyright information, or other important text. Once everything is ready, go to the Review tab at the top of Microsoft Word. In the Protect group, click Restrict Editing. A Restrict Editing panel will appear on the right side of your screen. In the Editing Restrictions section, check the box that says Allow only this type of editing in the document. From the drop-down menu, choose No Changes, Read Only. At this point, the entire document is protected, but don't worry, because we will allow editing only where we want. Now, select the main body text of your document. This is the area that you want other people to edit. After selecting the content, go to the Exceptions section in the Restrict Editing pane and check the Everyone option. This tells Word that everyone can edit the selected area, while the rest of the document remains protected. Next, click Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. Word may ask you to create a password. Enter a password if you want extra security. If you use a password, make sure you remember it because you will need it later if you want to remove the protection. After protection is applied, try editing the document. You will notice that users can edit the body text that you allowed, but they cannot modify the protected areas, such as the header and footer. This helps prevent accidental changes to important document elements, while still allowing collaboration on the main content. If you ever need to remove the protection, simply go back to the Review tab, click Restrict Editing, and choose Stop Protection. If a password was used, enter the password to unlock the document. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.